Hello everyone, I have selected a timeline for my strategy. The application being presented is a student interactive timeline and can be found on www.readwritethink.org. Students who are in grades kindergarten through 12th grade are able to use this application. I will then hit the Get Started button. You will then be taken to a different screen. I'm going to type in my name. And for an example of a project title, I'm going to select My Life. You will hit Start. On this page, this is where a timeline can be created and built by students. They will then click Tap Timeline to add items. So then I'm going to label this my family. And then for a short description, I'm going to say graduation 2015. And so if you want to insert an image, you're going to hit the Choose Image button. And then on here, students will then get an opportunity to choose a photo that they want to use. So I'm going to select this photo of my family. I'm going to hit Open. Here's the photo that I want to use. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to proceed to hit the check mark button. The picture pops up and I'm able to place it anywhere that I want to on my timeline. Students will be able to insert photos and place their events from start to finish. Once the timeline is successfully completed, the next step will be to hit Finish. You're given the option to save the draft, save final, send the final, or print out your final copy of your timeline. On this page, we have an example of what the timeline should appear as once it's completed. So then I will hit Save. Hit Save. And then it saves the file to your computer where you can go back and finish if students are not finished. So then some advantages of a timeline that I found out was that timelines can enhance comprehension skills. They can provide comprehension support to English language learners. Students are able to organize information in chronological order. And one disadvantage that I found interesting was that timelines are sometimes considered time-consuming. And for an informal assessment, I would use an exit ticket. I would have students create their own timelines and use events in a story. I would read a story or say a certain topic, and then students would be able to produce a timeline from the order of events in which they happen. I will be able to assess if they understand what it means to create a timeline. And also, I will be able to assess if they understand what they've read and some of the important events that happen in the story as well. Thank you for watching my timeline.